So the first way to turn off the renewal is to pause your subscription. You can customize how long you want to pause your YouTube TV base plan renewal by going to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on your profile picture, and then you want to click on settings. On the settings page, at the membership, at the base plan, you want to click right here on manage, and then on pause or cancel, you want to adjust the time to how many weeks or days you want to pause your YouTube TV base plan by sliding this red mark either to the right or to the left. And after that, you want to click on pause. After you click that, you are good to go. Your subscription has been turned off and will active again later to your desired date. In the time of pause, you cannot use your YouTube TV base plan, but you also don't need to pay anything or worried about auto renewal. And the other way is to cancel your YouTube TV base plan. So you don't need to worry about any other renewal later on. And to cancel the plan, on the cancel and access the base plan, you want to click on cancel. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to turn off auto renewal of YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.